Halo Evan. Halo, halo Evan. Can you hear my voice well?
Yes,
Okay, ya. Good evening, Evan.
good evening too.
Okay, what do you do now? What are you doing now? Sedang ngapain? Evan sedang ngapain?
Hmm,
Mhm. Sedang apa?
um,
What are you doing now? Okay, sudah ya. Okay, so are you ready for today?
yes.
Okay, ya. Hey, maybe you can start to share your screen, Evan. Let's continue. Lesson 13. Yeah, I think lesson 13. Yeah, just start to share your screen. 13 ya, 13. Oke ya, you can continue with number two. Oke, keliling. Do you know what is keliling, Evan?
No,
Keliling. Keliling means total all the side. Ya, just summarize, just sum it, just plus it ya. So it means 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 5. Ya, 3, 5, 2, 2 and 5. Okay, that's the result. And you can fill in the blank.
mm,
Okay, if you done, you can check it. Let's check. Nah, okay, continue number three. Okay, sebuah persegi panjang dibuat dari dua persegi yang identik. So it's identic rectangle. No, sorry, square ya. Other side is same as with this one. Nah, panjang sisi persegi tersebut adalah 3. Nah, we know that square, all the side is same ya. So it's also 3, 3, 3. This one is also 3. Okay, the question asks about perimeter of the rectangle. So I'll decide ya Evan ya. I'll decide. Okay, what's the total? There are 3, 6 times ya. Just the outside Evan, just the outside. In the middle, don't include it ya.
eh,
Just the outside, yeah, the corner.
huh?
How many 3?
Six,
So just 3, 6 times ya. What's the total? Nah, 18 ya. Okay, you can check your answer and let's continue to the next question. Okay, number 4. Ewan diberi sekotak permen. Kotak itu berbentuk persegi panjang dan ada 5 permen di sepanjang sisi panjang kotak. Ya, just imagine that this is candy box ya. Nah, ada 5 permen di sepanjang sisi panjang. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 candies di sepanjang sisi pendek. It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe it's similar like this, yeah, the candy box. Nah, okay. So far understand until here?
Yes.
Oke. Ewan memakan semua permen yang ada di sepanjang satu sisi panjang dan satu sisi pendek kotak. Ya. So Ewan eat one side, ya, the long side, this one, and the short side, this one. Nah, berapa banyak permen yang tersisa di dalam kotak? Oke, dan berapa banyak permen yang tergeletak di sekeliling kotak sebelum Ewan memakan permen tersebut, ya? Before Ewan eat that, just the corner. Yeah, so this one, just the corner, yeah, not the total, just the
Hmm.
corner. Ah, just all the side, not the total, ya. Kan ini di sekeliling kotak, ya, hanya di pinggir-pinggir saja. How many candies? Nah, 12, ya, that's 12. Good. Ini number 5. Okay, how many triangles?
Hmm.
Just count it carefully, ya. Okay, it's not 8, more than 8, ya. Okay, it's 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. So the total must be 12. Okay, please count the perimeter, ya. Keliling means perimeter. Okay, what's the perimeter, Evan? This side is 12, and this one is also 12. Okay, it's also 17. It's also 17. Okay, let's count it. Is it true? It's 48. No, it's not 48, Irfan. It's incorrect. It is not 48. Count it again, Irfan, please. Yeah. So it's 17 plus 12 plus 17 again and then plus 12 again. Okay, that's 58. Good. The middle one? Yeah, what about this one? It's also 16 and this one is also 14, yeah? Okay, 60. You can check your answer. Okay, and then let's go down part 2. Nah, diketahui bahwa Olivia memotong bagian yang kosong dengan keliling terbesar. Ya, so Olivia itu keliling terbesar. Which one is the biggest? Can you? Nah, which one is the biggest? That's
Yes.
Olivia. That's for Olivia. You can drag this name, the bottom of the shape here, the bottom of the shape. Yeah, like here. Nah, okay, good. Next, Madam Rosa. Madam Rosa tidak memotong bagian kosong dengan kelilin terkecil. Ya, okay. So Madam Rosa is not the smallest. Yeah, I think that's good. You can check your answer right here. Uh-uh. Eh. Nah. Okay, good. Number 7. Hewan meletakkan sekotak coklat persegi di meja pesta. So we have a candy box. The shape is square, not rectangle. Odd memakan semua permen kecuali yang ada di sekeliling kotak. So Odd only eat at the middle ya, yang di tengah. Nah, berapa banyak permen yang dimakan Odd jika dalam kotak tersisa 8 permen? Nah, coba let's start with the apa ya? Yang paling kecil. Nah, that's a square. Okay, how many middle one for this? Ada berapa banyak permen yang di tengah for this, Evan?
I don't know.
There is no middle, yeah. There is no middle one. Just at the corner, yeah, each side. Okay, let's try to move on with a square candy box, 3 times 3, like this. Okay, let's say Out itu memakan semua permen yang ada di tengah aja. Just eat this. Sisanya berapa, Evan?
Six.
Sisa, sisa.
Six.
Are you sure it's 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8, okay? Nah, so we can use this shape. So how many out it ya? Ini sisa, tersisa 8 permen. That I give eggs. How many eggs? Nah, one, only one. Okay, let's go to number 8. Nah, how many rectangle except square yang terdapat pada gambar Mr. Trudy? So square is not included ya. Just count the rectangle one. Okay, you can try to check it first. You can try to check your answer, Evan. And yeah, that's incorrect. Let's check it out together. Okay, the answer should be 14. Let's check it out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the last one, this is 14. Yeah, is a 14. Okay, next, number 9. Sembilan kotak kecil yang identik digunakan untuk membentuk kotak besar. As you can see in the picture. Keliling sebuah persegi besar adalah 36 ya. So the perimeter of the big square is 36. Ya. So what's for the side? Just one side. If the perimeter is 36, so what's for this side,
I
Evan?
don't know.
The total is 36. Yeah. And I ask you just for this side only. Okay. How long for this side, Evan?
Huh?
Sorry, I can hear your voice.
Huh?
I can't hear your voice. I cannot hear your voice. What's your answer before?
Huh?
This side, this side.
I don't know.
Just divide it by 4 because we have we have 4 sides, the same line, yeah. Just divide it by 4. What you get? That's not the answer, Evan. I asked you just this. 36 divided by 4.
5.
No.
4.
No. 4 times what? Becomes 36. So what should we fill in this period? 4 times what?
6, 7,
No.
8,
No.
9.
9, yeah. Wait, that's not the answer, Evan. I just asked you for this. Yeah, so this side is 9. Okay. Nah, and if you see here, there are 3 lines that the length is same. So if I ask about this, how long? How long just for this side? The total of the 3 lines is 9, but if I ask you just one line, it is just for one line.
9.
9 is the total, yeah? 9 is,
9.
if I ask you just one line, how long? How long, Evan? Panjangnya berapa? Kalau
18.
hanya satu, huh?
18.
Kok 18 is longer? Like this, Evan. If I have one big line like this, it's 9. But is just the short line, only one line. Ini berapa? How can you say it's 18? It's shorter than this. Lebih pendek, ya. Kenapa jawab 18? Ya, just for this line, the short line, ini berapa, Evan? Evan? Just for one line.
9.
9 is this, ya. The long line. The short line, Evan.
7.
Just divided by 3. Because you have 3 lines. Ya, divided by 3. So what is 9 divided by 3?
3.
Nah, that you got. Okay, so we know that's not the answer, Evan. That's not the answer. Yeah, so we know that just one short line is 3. Nah, the question asks about perimeter of the small square. Yeah, we know that this side is 3, so the others is also 3. Now, so what's the perimeter of the small square? What's the perimeter? Kelilingnya berapa? Kalau yang kotak kecil, kelilingnya berapa, Elvan? Hello, Elvan? Hmm?
I don't know.
Just total it, ya.
Hmm,
Outside, just total it.
Seperti itu.
Hmm?
Seperti itu.
72?
Oke.
What's the
12.
answer? 12. Yeah, that's 12. That's 12. You have said it before. 12 ya, Evan ya? Hello, Evan? That's a 12. Evan? Evan?
Hmm. Hmm. 12.
Yeah, that's 12. Okay, next. Number 10. Madam Rosa membengkokkan kawat berbentuk persegi besar untuk membuat dekorasi pesta. Kemudian, dia membengkokkan kawat dan memotongnya menjadi 2. Dari separuh kawat, dia membengkokkan sebuah persegi kecil yang sisinya 3 cm. Dan dari separuh kawat yang lain, dia membengkokkan segitiga dengan sisi yang sama.
Wah,
Nah, so we have create two shapes. Ini yang pertama, the first one, and this one, the second one. Okay, for the square, sisinya kan 3. So what's the perimeter?
hah? Beli, hah? Banana.
What's the perimeter, Evan?
Perimeter.
Keliling. Just
Yes.
total all the side. Okay, that's 12. So, wait, that's not the answer, Evan. That's not the answer. Okay, nah, if this shape, the perimeter is 12, this shape is also 12. Ya,
Wait.
oke, ya.
Mm.
Now let's go back.
Mm.
Okay. So this shape, yeah, this triangle, the perimeter is also 12. What just for one side, Elvan? If all the side is same.
Mm. I don't know.
How many sides for the shape?
Two, three, two,
Okay,
three,
3, yeah.
three.
Nah, you just need to divide it by 3 because all the side is same. So what
Four.
is that? Nah. Okay, so all the side must be 4. Okay. Nah, that's the answer for the first question. Nah, okay, then the second question. Berapa panjang sisi persegi besar? Nah, as we remember, that two shape here uh, is like combined becomes the big square. Nah, we know that this perimeter is 12. This one is also 12. And we combine it. And this shape, the perimeter is uh, 12 plus 12. Okay, becomes
24.
Nah, 24. That's the perimeter of this shape. But the question asks about panjang sisi. Yeah. How many sides for the shape?
4.
4. Yeah. From 24 divided by 4
Mm.
becomes
5.
no.
4.
4 times 5 becomes 24.
Mm. 6.
6. Okay, that's the answer. You can put 6 here. Okay, 11. Mr. Trudy telah membagi sebuah persegi panjang besar menjadi 5 persegi dalam gambar. Ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ya, there are 5 square dalam gambar sehingga panjang semua sisi persegi adalah bilangan bulat. Ya, whole number. Tentukan keliling persegi panjang besar jika keliling persegi yang dicat adalah 16 cm. So, for this shape, the perimeter is 16, ya. Okay, what is the side? How long is the side?
60. 60.
How many sides for this shape, Evan?
4.
So from 16, just need to divide it by 4. If you don't know this, let's make it like this. 4 times what becomes 16?
3
4 times 3 becomes 12.
of 5. 4.
4 or 5?
5. 5.
4 times 5 becomes 20.
4.
Oh yeah, so we know that this side is 4. Yeah. Okay, then it can be 4 also, yeah. It's 4 and then it's also 4. Yeah, because the question said that it's all square. Okay. Nah, how long for this shape? For this line, Elvan? How long for this line that I give red? That I mark red? How long? How long?
Mm,
Did I give red mark?
mm,
How long?
no.
Just follow the other side. It's 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? Huh?
8.
Nah. Yeah, so this side is 8. Then this side is also 8. It's also 8. Nah. If I ask you how long this line,
4. 8.
how can you say it's 4? This line, it's got it is same
4.
as this. It's
4.
not 4. It's not 4. 4 is just this is 4. Yeah. But I ask you for the long line. It is same as this.
12.
Nah, okay, good 12 ya. So the total is 12. And you know that this line is half of 12. So how long for this line? How long for this line? It is half of 12.
Mm,
It is half of 12.
4. 4. 8.
Huh?
8.
No, it's
4.
half of 12.
4.
No, 4 is just this, yeah? It's shorter.
6.
6, yeah? Just divided by 2. Nah, then it's also 6 because it's square. The question says that it's square. It's also 6, 6. Nah, the
Mm,
question asks about perimeter of the big rectangle. Nah, we know that this side is 8 plus 4. Yeah, 8 and 4. This side is 8 and 6. Uh, 8 and 6. And then this side is 12. And then this side 4, 4, and 6. So what's the perimeter, Evan?
mm, mm, mm.
What's the perimeter?
Oh, her
Hmm?
that's 53. 53.
53? I think no.
Ah,
It should be even number. It's 12. And it's also 12. Of course, it's also 12. Yeah. And then this side, 8 plus 6 becomes 8 plus 6 becomes.
40.
Okay, so this side is also 14. And this side is also 14, yeah? Of course. Nah, just total it. 12, 14, 12, 14. It's not 53, yeah? It's not 53. It must even number. What's the total?
Mm, 58.
58. Are you sure?
Ah,
I just asked you, yeah. It's not 58. It's not 58.
ah.
Okay, try to count it together. What is 14 plus 12, Alvan?
6.
Oh, then 14, 12, 14 again. What's the answer? 26 plus 14. 26 plus 14. 26 plus 14.
40. 40.
Okay, plus 12 again.
Two.
Okay, 12. Mr. X melihat keluar melalui jendela loteng. Jendela tersebut memiliki dua bingkai persegi panjang. Keliling bingkai yang lebih kecil is 20 decimeter dan keliling bingkai yang lebih besar adalah 28 decimeter. Berapa tinggi jendela loteng jika jendelanya berbentuk persegi? Okay, maybe I will have you for this. Just answer it with 8. It's okay, no problem. Hmm. Okay, next. Open profile. Number 3. Oke. Intan memiliki sapu tangan. Dia melipatnya menjadi 2 dan kemudian menjadi 2 lagi. Pindahkan kartu ke sapu tangan yang terlipat untuk menunjukkan pola apa yang dilihat Intan di atasnya. And just follow the pattern, the sequence. Please follow the side, ya. The side is pink. And if you see at the left picture, the pink is the above, yeah. And for the green one, it's above, and then it's in the right, yeah, on the right side. And then I think you need to try to rotate this shape 90 degrees clockwise, yeah. So you will imagine that the pink will be above, and then the green will be at the right side. Okay, just imagine. Imagine you rotate this shape,
Hmm.
90 degrees clockwise. Yeah, rotate to right. Just imagine. Just imagine, Evan. And what you get?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, just 10 minutes left. Evan is okay. After this, the lesson will be done.
I don't
But
know.
imagine that you rotate the shape 90 degrees and
I,
you will get the pink on the above and then the green one will be at the right.
I don't know.
Just
Hmm.
imagine, Evan, imagine. Yeah.
Hmm.
You rotate this, yeah. Rotate
Hmm.
this to the right. Yeah. Imagine. And then just follow the sequence, the pattern. Yeah. I will make it easier for you. Nah. Only this part.
Hmm.
But follow this, yeah. Follow this. Imagine that you turn it right once. Elvan,
Yeah. Oh.
please check, yeah. This side is, there is no shape, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So, there is no shape at this area.
Oh.
Okay, and then above this, there is no shape, yeah. Now, okay, let's continue.
Oh. Oh.
This shape is at this side, yeah, the green side, where you put it on the pink side. Uh, the square, the green and the purple one, it's on the beside of the green side, not the pink side. Yeah. So it's incorrect if you put the shape here.
Oh. Hmm.
Nah,
Oh.
not there. Then Elvan, that
Huh?
this shape is the beside of the green side. Okay, the green one is correct, but the purple. Why this purple is far from the green side? Nah, like that. Yeah. Next, the orange circle is also incorrect. Yeah, it's not here. Okay, nah, cool. That's good. Okay, let's continue. It's not there. The crystal is not there.
Hmm.
It's not there. Did you get what I mean, Evan? Just imagine that you rotate the shape. Yeah.
Oh.
Nah, cool. Next. Okay. Yeah. Mm-mm. I think you understand. We understand it well. Next.
Mm.
Next, to shape more.
Mm.
Nah.
Mm.
Then one more. The last one.
Um,
One more. One more shape.
Oh.
Okay, time to check your answer. And yay, good job, Elfan. Yeah. Okay, Elfan, I think enough for today because time is almost up. So I need to stop your share screen. Nah, yes. So for today, we have learned about our lesson in 13 part 2. Yeah, about perimeter, and then shape, and etc. Similar like that. Okay, before we end the lesson, any question, Elfan?
No.
No, yeah. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So thank you for today, yeah, Elfan. If you don't understand and you ask to me something else, yeah, just keep the question and ask to me on the next meet. Yeah. Okay, so thank you, Evan, for today. See you next lesson and bye, Evan. Thank you
Bye.
so much for today.